Samsung just dropped a bomb. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is coming, but guess what? It still charges like it's stuck in 2020. Yup, 25 watts. That's like filling a Tesla with a garden hose. Okay, so I saw the leaks and thought, no way they're doing this again. But here we are. Look, we love innovation, right? Folding phones are supposed to feel like the future. But if I'm still waiting an hour and a half to charge this $2,000 spaceship, we've got a problem. And don't even get me started on the battery size, because apparently Samsung thinks 4,400 mAh is the sweet spot. Forever. So I'm scrolling through the usual leak rabbit hole. Mass production of the Fold7 and Flip7 just kicked off. We're talking July Unpacked, event levels of hype. But the specs? Hoo boy. I tried using my Fold6 on a road trip, and by the time I hit 30% battery, I was rationing screen brightness like it was a survival horror game. Okay kids, no TikTok for the next hour, daddy needs GPS. So when I saw the Fold7's battery is still stuck at 4,400 mAh, same as the Fold 3, Fold 4, Fold 5, I almost choked on my iced coffee. Let's break this down. Z Fold7, 2 batteries, 2,126 and 2,146 mAh. Samsung's gonna slap 4,400 mAh typical on the box and call it a day. Same 25 watt charging speed. I've seen faster tech in my grandma's toaster. Might get the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is great, but please give it some battery to work with. Flip7, slightly juiced up battery, now 4,300 mAh. That's up 300 mAh from the Flip 6. Not groundbreaking, but hey, it's something. A bigger 4-inch external display that actually looks useful now. Motorola Razr vibes? Definitely. But wait, still no word on the rumored Flip7 FE, the cheaper foldable. It's like Samsung's teasing us at this point. The Flip7 is shaping up to be a serious upgrade, with premium hardware that looks and feels like it came straight out of a spaceship. The new cover display might actually make it usable while closed, finally. And if it ships with the Exynos 2500 chipset, performance should be nothing short of beastly. But of course, it's not all sunshine and space metal. The Fold7's battery still seems stuck in 2021 and 25W charging. That's basically prehistoric at this point. Plus, there's still no clear word on pricing, picky. But let's be real, your wallet's already bracing for impact. And one more thing, who keeps asking for the same charging speed since 2020? Seriously, who? Look, the Z Fold7 and Flip7 are still cool. They're flashy, futuristic, and honestly, the engineering is wild. But come on, Samsung, you've had years, throw a bigger battery in the Fold, give us 45 watt charging, surprise us for once. Would I buy one, honestly, if I had $2,000 burning a hole in my pocket and a second phone for backup? Yeah, but I'd also carry a power bank like it's a second kidney. Smash that like button if you've ever silently judged someone using a phone at 3% in public. And hit subscribe, because next up, we're talking about a foldable phone so weird, even Samsung wouldn't dare make it. See you next one, peace out.